Did you know that you can reduce food waste and create delicious meals from leftovers? In this video, we'll share some sustainable cooking tips that focus on minimizing environmental impact and maximizing flavor. One way to make the most of your leftovers is by turning them into a hearty soup. Take those leftover vegetables, add some broth, and simmer it all together for a comforting and sustainable meal. Another great way to use up leftovers is by making a flavorful stir-fry. Take those leftover proteins and veggies, toss them in a hot pan with some soy sauce and spices, and you'll have a quick and tasty meal in no time. Leftover bread can be transformed into delicious homemade croutons. Simply cube the bread, toss it with olive oil and seasonings, and bake until golden and crispy. They're perfect for adding a crunchy element to your salads or soups. Don't let overripe fruits go to waste. Blend them into a refreshing smoothie. Add some yogurt, a splash of juice, and a handful of ice, then blend until smooth. It's a great way to use up fruits and create a healthy treat. Leftover rice can be transformed into a flavorful fried rice dish. Heat up a pan, add some vegetables, proteins, and spices, then toss in the cooked rice. Stir-fry everything together for a delicious and satisfying meal. Leftover pasta can be transformed into a tasty pasta salad. Mix it with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a tangy dressing for a refreshing and satisfying dish. It's perfect for picnics or as a light lunch. By using these sustainable cooking tips, you can reduce food waste and create delicious meals from leftovers. Let's make a positive impact on the environment while enjoying flavorful and satisfying dishes.